Statistics show that driving schools are very good at teaching you how to pass the driving test. That's the easy part. The most dangerous drivers on our roads pass that same driving test, but would you feel safe letting that same driver drive your family around just because they passed the driving test? The evidence also proves that regular driver training does not prepare you for the challenges of driving on the road that happen every day. This is why their accident rate intensifies a terrifying 3,000% more likely to have a serious accident in their first year of driving. Are our kids failing us, or are we failing them? So why do so many parents trust the cheapest or a driving school that adopts the very same standards? They don't prepare them as drivers, they teach them to pass a test. This is the industry standard, where a third will crash in their first year of driving. Most driving schools compete on price and time to pass the test. He passes his test, gets his license, everyone's happy. Then it starts going wrong. Fines, penalties, accidents, more fatalities, more broken families. Despite meeting the industry standards, passing the industry driving test, it's now his fault. Is it all his fault? Or did the current driver training system completely let him down? As a parent, you expect a report card from their school to know how they're doing. Does your driving school do this with lessons? Why not? For pilots, over 70% of their training is what to do when something goes wrong. Why do we not teach learners how to handle the unexpected and emergency situations? Why do they only teach you how to drive from point A to point B and nothing else? Is this the reason why so many of our children are crippled, disabled, or not with us anymore? At what point should we as parents realise the standard could be the worst decision we ever make for our child's driving safety? Total Driver prepares them to drive with techniques proven through research to change their driving behaviours, which keeps them safe. How to develop life-saving reactions and skill that help keep them alive. How they create their own accidents and to change their driving behaviour. Why they look and don't see. How to manage high-risk situations. Parent mentoring program is included. We create a 3-way partnership guiding you and your child both through the supervised driving of 100 hours. We have reports of lesson performance, what to practice, how much to practice, how to practice. Isn't this a better way to deliver safer, better prepared drivers for all conditions? That is our difference. That is our guarantee. Passing the test is easy. Being a prepared, confident driver, that takes expertise. Trust Total Driver with your preparation in driving. Not just to pass the test, but the foundations of superior driving. To be prepared, to be safer, to be experienced and alive. If you agree there has to be a better way, call Total Driver today on 1300 887 352. It's about saving lives. Get your free report, click to the right of the screen and learn the 11 shocking facts that driving schools are not telling parents that could save your child's life.